Hey, honey.
Hey.
Good morning. We're at Quartzsite and we're heading out to the desert bar today. So we're riding with some friends out to see the desert bar.
Catch us as we tag along with No Sticks, No Bricks, Wild Blue Wanderers, and Cottywomple Travels.
Our friends Jason and Jennifer from No Sticks, No Bricks invited us to go along on an epic Jeep ride up to the desert bar in Parker, Arizona with them. We had a great time enjoying the scenery and good conversation all the way up to the desert bar.
There's plenty of spots.
It's a bit crowded.
Plenty of spots right here. I'm just gonna pull in the first one and then you guys can file in by us.
Surprisingly close. I didn't realize it was only like 4 miles off the paved road to get up to the desert bar. We have a real treat today. We're out here with a bunch of YouTube content creators. You'll recognize them all. We rode up with Jen and Jason from
Bunch of goofballs.
Yeah.
Hey, Chris.
Here's Chris and Katrina. Don and John. Oh, and Andrew and Peyton.
I said one of my
From To Be Determined.
baptism by fire, man.
Ready for a good time!
It's gonna be a fun day.
We need to.
We're at the desert bar. After church.
Yeah.
We'll go to church first, then we'll go to...
I can always use a little more Jesus.
Everybody needs Jesus.
Right?
Hey, look where they're roaming.
What are y'all doing? Just wandering?
Just wandering around.
Man, what a good time. I'm hungry though. We gotta find something to eat.
I think the song, man.
Yeah, I
What
think
do you
so
think?
too. Jen?
Funnel cake. There it is. That's a beautiful funnel cake. Oh my God, that's beautiful. Woo! Fancy.
You guys want some?
Oh my God.
Oh
No kidding. It so did.
Beers all over.
You can take one more.
Wow.
I almost fell asleep.
Desert bar.
Okay, ready? Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Feel the free! Andrea talks a good game, but she was worried about you making it out of there.
What?
Yeah, she was. I saw her.
We had such a great day jeeping up to the Desert Bar in Parker, Arizona with our friends. The area surrounding the Desert Bar is absolutely gorgeous, and it was such a fun afternoon. We were lucky enough to hang out with Jennifer and Jason with No Sticks, No Bricks, John and Donna with the Cottywomble Travelers, Scott and Ashley with Wild Blue Wanderers, Peyton and Andrea with To Be Determined, Ruben and Lori with Life After Kids, Journey Unknown, and of course Chris and Katrina from our Everyday Getaway. So we hope you enjoyed the video on the Desert Bar. Great place if you're ever in Quartzsite, Parker, Havasu, Arizona. go to the desert bar. It is so fun.
Man, we had a blast.
So if you're up that way, I recommend you go to the desert bar. It's something you've got to do. It's a rite of passage if you're in that area.
Absolutely.
So, things you need to know about the desert bar. It's only open Saturdays and Sundays from noon until dusk. It is closed June, July, and August. So remember that. Another thing to remember is that it's cash only. Some of the prices for the food and drink are a little expensive, but when you think about it, it takes a lot to get supplies up that way. They have to pay for that. So take cash, know the hours. There's not a lot of cell service up there unless you climb up to the top of the hill, so keep that in mind as well.
So, hey, if you like this video or you like what me and Billy are doing with our channel, consider giving us a like, maybe even subscribing to the channel.
Yes, please subscribe. That helps us out too.
We're growing, and thank you all that have subscribed. I can't believe how this channel's growing. We're going to keep documenting what we do just because we enjoy it. Come along for the ride. YouTube's going to throw a video up over here somewhere that they think you'll like, and over here is our most recent videos.
Yeah, take a look, watch some of our videos. You can tell that they're pretty rough at the beginning, but you can at least see where we came from and see where we are now. Check it out.
One over here,
yeah,
one over there.
Hey, also, if you've ever been to the desert bar, leave a comment because we want to know if you've been there.
Pass on your tips.
Check out our jeeping friends that we get to go with too, because that's part of the experience, is taking a jeep ride up to the desert bar. So.
Yeah, I highly recommend going with a bunch of YouTubers if you can.
Yeah,
because it's
or just go with a bunch of friends, because I think it's great to go with a bunch of friends too. So
till next time.
See you later.